Dear America, me come from Kingston, Jamaica. You see, when I migrated to the United States, I wanted a fresh start in life. But you greeted me with ignorance and stereotypes. Being here, I learned that life is much more than a green card. Because there is nowhere better than Yaad.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan
You mean people ever don't know say Yaadman Etan? And you see, 5 years ago, I left Jamaica. I migrated to the United States, fresh off of the boat, you see me? And you see, when I came to America, I came here just like, any other immigrant, hoping for a fresh start, hoping for a new chapter in my life. And it's funny how life works, because my time in America made me feel a lot more connected to Jamaica in more ways than one. You see, when I came to America, I thought that I would be able to escape Jamaican ignorance. And I see, Jamaican ignorance is something to behold. But little did I know that Jamaican ignorance is much different from American ignorance. I realized with my immigrant friends that America also has its own stereotype. People ignorant up here, brother. And instead of doing research, people will give you labels, people will stereotype you, or they might even drop some little microaggressions upon you without, using them phone with them unlimited data and all these things for do a little research, you see me? So, see it here. Dear America, I am not a plug.
Yo, yeah, you got no gas?
Gas?
Yeah, gas.
Yeah, gas right here.
Nah, bro, not gasoline. I mean like gas, like weed.
No, I don't smoke.
Nigga, you don't smoke. Nigga, you got dreadlocks and look like you from Jamaica.
Oh, so because me have dreadlocks and in Jamaica I come from, you feel like I have weed?
What you mean? What you mean if you look like you don't smoke? Of course, my nigga. Come on, Bob Marley. Come on, Junior Dong. I know you got some gas, man. Yo, break me off one of them dreadlocks. I know you got some gas in your hair, man. Yo, come on, Chronics. Yo, I know you. I know your music.
I don't smoke, okay? I don't even like when my mental state is elevated, believe it or not. And the next thing, trees is 1,000 to 1,500% more expensive in America. What may I do with that? Me don't want to waste my money on that. So don't ask me if I have none, because me don't have it. Dear America, I am black. If you couldn't tell, you see, growing up in Jamaica, I always knew that I was black. In fact, 90% plus of Jamaicans are black. And even though our motto is out of many one people due to our multicultural roots, race is generally not a dividing factor in Jamaica. People care more about how much money in your wallet than the color of your skin. But you see, coming to America, things are much different here. And I was introduced to something that does not exist in Jamaica. I was introduced to race boxes.
Now serving customer 876.
Yo, I'm eating.
Customer 876.
Hi. Welcome to Bank of America. How may I help you?
Yo, Wagwan, me there for...
Excuse me? Wargwarn? Bumble Clarks, are you Jamaican?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, so you can speak English. So how may I help you?
Yeah, I'm here to open a credit card account.
All right, let me take these documents right here. All right. All right. Excuse me, sir. I believe you made a mistake on your application form.
Mistake where?
You see, sir, you checked the black box But you're not black. You're Jamaican.
Most Jamaicans are black.
Jamaicans are not black. I am black. You're Jamaican.
Reggie, know you talk about? We have the same complexion.
It doesn't matter if we have the same complexion, sir. I am African American. You are Jamaican.
Me have African ancestors.
That doesn't matter. You're not black.
Okay, alright, change it to white.
Oh. Okay, well, if that's the case, you're eligible for lower interest rates.
Bumbo. Dear America, I do not have many baby mothers. Yo, baby, look here, man. You know, me I call you all day.
What do you want?
You know, say come in like oxygen.
Wait, what?
More on radio.
Yo, what the Oh, is it a boy or girl? It's a junior.
Yo, future baby mother number 2. Look here now.
Yo, run!
In fact, I don't even have one baby mother. Me don't even have a girlfriend. Me too busy I make videos on YouTube. Then forgot impregnate somebody's daughter. I'm actually tired of American woman. Oh no, ruined my experience up here. My wife have come from the Caribbean now, you see me? You see, looking a girl in America can be very stressful, gents. Because as a Jamaican, enough of them women I go assume say you just want to impregnate them and ruin them life.
I want a man with an accent. I want a man with a foreign flavor. And
Yo, look at now, baby. I just come from the bank, but right now, I left a deposit in your belly and withdraw that 9 months after.
Bruh.
Listen to me,
Wait,
Mr.
say-
Jamaican. You're not gonna Jamaican me crazy today.
I wish Jamaica never hurt you.
All of them.
All of them.
Listen to me, okay? I know you're kind, Mr. Bob Marley. Huh? Buju Banton, huh? Or Vibes Cartel, whatever your name is. I'm not gonna be one of your many baby mamas, okay? All you Jamaican men are good for are for your good buddies and making women pregnant. I will have you dipped like a chip and I will call immigration, okay? I will have you dipped right back into Dunn's River Falls.
Dear America, I am not a scammer. Me too busy I make honest money off of YouTube and off of my business than for take out myself and make call to people and tell them say them win fake lottery. No. As a matter of fact, I never learned the true art of scamming until I came to America, alright? That's when I realized that Jamaican scammers have nothing on you American scammers. Now, yo, hear me say, you see in Jamaica, how scammers get people information? Them get US numbers either through call centers or through a US phone book or however they get a US phone number and them call you and try to convince you, hello, you've won the sweepstakes 4 and in order for you to win your $1 million prize, you just need to pay $5,000 in taxes. That maths don't even make sense. So them do that, forget your credit card or your debit card information and then boom, them gone with your money. Right? When you say here in America, Americans, why don't you talk about your own scammers? Like, yo, oh no, dangerous. You don't even have to call people. You can just get people information. Yeah. Take shot, boy. Take shot, boy. Man, yo, relax, dog. It's just like you. You kiss your mother with that mouth.
Shut up. You sound like Sebastian the Crab.
Yeah? And Jamaica where come from?
Go back to your country.
Oh wow, the hate is real. Yo, listen now. Even in a Jamaica, we can kill you with digital Wi-Fi, yo.
What does that even mean?
You're no good. Dead youth.
I know where you live.
I know where you spawn.
Ethan, Campbell, Reed.
What? Dog, how you know my name?
876 Aki Avenue.
What? No, dog, a joke here.
I'm watching you right now. So you're gonna put down that controller and let me kill you. Yes, die, noob. Oh, and by the way, Ethan, I emptied your debit accounts.
What? Dog!
Dear America, you see, Jamaicans are more than just an exotic piece of meat with a sexy accent. Just because we're party crazy and some of us overdo it in these clubs and parties in Jamaica don't mean that all of us are like that. We are very conservative when it comes to our personal relationships. A lot of us don't even like talking about that. So imagine me coming foreign and enough of them people look for me and see me as a piece of meat that they want to abuse. Alright? Now look here, ladies, calm down. Because another thing what I get tired of is the fact that many American women feel like they see a deer in the headlights or goat in or cow in the headlights for my Jamaicans to understand that reference. And them look upon me and say, oh, I know you don't eat. And them feel like they want to take the V card of my tongue.
Oh yeah.
Right? Now let me tell you something. Jamaicans are gonna bun me out for this. But dear America, some of us actually eat cats.
Yo, baby, you know something rated differently stills.
So if you rate me, why you not eat it?
What?
Baby, just one lick.
I see him say when the chicken on me don't want to put in the tip. Besides, when the things say puss lick themselves.
Babe, stop going so.
Yo, my God, yeah, man.
Just eat it now, man.
What? Girl, you know see man a rasta? Ital is vital, me not eat meat.
But me see a name KFC the other day.
But my bad man friend them a road tell me not to do it.
Your bad man friend them a eat it under the sheet.
What?
Your friend Nigos is a certified freak.
But Alkaline say him no name don't know when I cook in a canteen.
Yo, baby, if you do it, me'll tell Shensia.
Shensia? You know Shensia?
Yeah, man, me know Shensia. Shensia love them thing there. Me'll put in a word for you.
Why? Hear me, I said, man. Anything for Shensia. No, hold on, before the bud me out. Listen and hear me out. Me hear enough Jamaican woman in a Jamaica come talk about say the best they've ever received is from a Yaadman. Not this Yaadman, like a Jamaican. Okay? So if the woman them a talk so that must mean say somebody a give him that type of saka, that type of tongue hanky panky. You see me? Me know me I get bun out for that one here, but comment down below if it's true. Alright? Me just want to address the stereotypes. Cause me tired of them American woman I try fling them front in my face because they want to try take the V card off my face. Okay? Stop it. Enough stop it. People them, you don't know say Yaadman Etan. And look here now man, thank you guys for watching this video. And look here, you know so me just get my new fresh Yaadman merchandise. You can click the link in the description below to Local Motive Tees to support Yaadman and get your own Yaadman merchandise. Pick up on the damn self, people them. Go out.